We have another graphic card for repair. It's GTX 770, and actually two words. I got a new motherboard for testing. I'd say all motherboards are good for testing, which are on the AM3 socket. It's better communication with the BIOS. Yeah, let's go ahead and see what it does. It's actually almost first time when I see something like this. I mean, fans are just spinning really fast. How we could see graphic card didn't recognize by computer and there's nothing on the screen. Got this sample so we can have a closer look. And how we remember it's gonna stuck on initialization. Crystal doesn't get hot, so yeah, not gonna have a power. Some millivolts go through, but yeah, it's not enough. And there is no power in the memory itself. We're gonna have 12 volts. Okay. What I did already is basically I got a data chip of a driver. So let's check. Enable on 6 lag. So we have enable, but we don't have a power. First thing first, I'd say let's go over keys. Yeah, and of course check our resistance.
So I'm going over keys right now, and how you can see, first key shows 80 milliamperes, second one 620, third one 620, and those two are actually even in like the ring like in short, so 3 millivolts, and a 4 millivolts. I did check both of them, and both of them in totally function condition. They open and close, so I put them back. And if we put in resistance mode, it shows 2 ohms and 3 ohms, 3 and a 5. So everywhere basically almost different resistance.
Spend a bit more time on diagnostic this graphic card. From what I think, the problem on this graphic card is those drivers went out, and okay, let's go over it again. So we have slightly power on just slightly on a GPU, and obviously we don't have a power on a memory because by sequences most likely without power of GPU we won't have a memory power. Yes, by the way, those two transistors, I pulled them over. That's where we had lower resistance. They are fully in functional condition, and they open and close and work as it's supposed to be. And on all shoulders the 12 volts is present. But yeah, from what we check our resistance, almost on every key resistance is different. So yeah, I'd say those drivers went out. And also what I noticed there is power to those drivers is about 10 volts, which is basically something is lowering the power as well. Yeah, first what I would try those drivers. And I have actually graphic card where we can pull it over. This graphic card is not working. GPUs went out. I can actually demonstrate it. the problem with the graphic card is GPU is broken because one of the key burned out, and 12 volts eventually went to GPU and burned it away. So yeah, on the 12 volts we have a resistance about 7 ohms, and that same resistance which we have on GPU. So yeah, 12 volts went to this GPU and burned it away. So the next step, yeah, we're gonna take those drivers from here and put it on this graphic card and see if it helps. So yeah, I'm just gonna show a result. So this is first one, second one. I'm gonna skip the whole process. Third one, fourth driver, and the fifth driver. So yeah, all of those drivers been transferred from one board to another, and this is the old one. This is the old one. So yeah, got transferred from here to here. So yeah, let's put it back and see if it works. Okay, so it looks like put everything back, but before we turn it on, let's go over the whole resistance. Over the whole resistance. Nice. So all keys right now, they have the same value. That's a good thing. I actually saw that I didn't show the resistance of a GPU on this one when I was looking over videos. So yeah, it's about 8 volts, which is, and about 105, which is totally should be good. So yeah, let's try it out. Cross our fingers. Okay, hold my fingers on there. Power. Oppa! GPU was getting hot, and I was already glad about it. And we have a picture. Yes, GPU was really getting hot. So that's a good thing. So eventually that was a problem. Those drivers, So yeah, I'm gonna assemble it. So yeah, I already tested out. I've been testing this graphic card for 2 days right now. Yeah, I know it's right now it's starting from 69 because I already ran 2 times a stress test on it. So yeah, no artifacts were found. All temperature. I don't wanna overheat it or overstress it too much. But yeah, no issues were found for those 2 days, and I already played a couple of games on it. So yeah, we can count this graphic card as fixed.